Tired of staring at a list of addresses, wishing you could magically connect with property owners? Batchleads is your secret weapon to bridge that critical gap and unlock off-market real estate deals. Let's dive into how to skip trace in Batchleads, step by step, to get you direct contact information for your marketing efforts. First, navigate to the skip tracing section within your Batchleads account. You'll see a primary interface for uploading your data. You can skip trace in two main ways: individually or in a batch upload. For our tutorial today, we're focusing on the power of batch. So click the Upload File button. Batchleads accepts common file formats like CSV or Excel, making it incredibly easy to integrate your existing lists. After uploading your file, Batchleads will prompt you to map your data. This is crucial. You'll tell the system exactly where to find the property address, city, state, and zip code within your spreadsheet. This ensures accurate results. Once your file is mapped and you choose your desired skip trace options, Batchleads will get to work. It searches millions of data points to uncover phone numbers and email addresses associated with the property owners on your list. You'll see these results populate directly within your Batchleads account. Imagine the power of this. Instead of guessing, you can now directly call or email potential sellers. This is invaluable for finding off-market deals and implementing direct-to-owner strategies that can significantly boost your real estate business. By effectively skip tracing with Batchleads, you're not just expanding your network. You're dramatically increasing your deal flow and unlocking opportunities that many real estate investors miss. Start skip tracing today and watch your outreach transform.